items I purchased off of Weed. First, I want to try the Mr. Brown Cappuccino Iced Coffee. So I'm gonna give it a good shake. Smell good. Got my glass. Let's see how it tastes. It just tastes like how I do my coffee, a little bit creamer, no sugar added. That is good. I give that a 10 out of 10. Next, we are going to try this red velvet cake. This is how it looks. There's a little cream part in here. Oh yeah. That is good. 10 out of 10. We are going to try Doritos garlic steak flavor. Let's try this. These are good. I don't know why, but it tastes like Cool Ranch a little bit to me, but leveled up. I'll give that a 7 out of 10. Next, I am going to try this sparkling citrus drink. We're gonna. Oh yeah, that's real good. So it's basically like me getting a regular sparkling water and adding lemon juice to it. It's just how it tastes to me, which is very good. I love a good citrus drink. 10 out of 10. I have found this peeling soft candy. It's a white peach flavor, and we are going to try that. So it comes in a little small package, little candy individual wrap, which is good. Little. Try this. Okay. Try this. This is a cashew nectar. Cashew nectar. Have any one of you guys heard of a cashew nectar? Because I definitely didn't. I never heard about no cashew nectar, and when I saw this, I was like, interesting. Pour it in my glass. I pour a little bit, so I don't know if I'm gonna like it. What the heck? It smells fruity. It tastes fruity. I think I like it. I think I like this one. It's giving me pear juice with cashew. We are going to try these Lay's. This is a crispy roasted chicken wings. It's hard to open that up. Ooh, I smell chicken. I smell the chicken. This is what it's giving. Thick. Let's see. This one good. This is a apple soda. This kind of remind me of that Welch's sparkling apple cider. The spark. It's good. I bet it'd be really good cold. That one up. Saving this one for later. This, I got this one here from my store, and these are the Skittle Gummy Fulo. It's not all that spicy, but it is good. I'll give that a 9.5 out of 10. This pineapple beer drink is a popular non-alcoholic carbonated soda from China that tastes like fizzy sweet pineapple with a subtle beer-like finish. I'm gonna pour it in my glass. Okay. Nice little golden color. Smell real good. I can definitely taste the pineapple sweetness. I give that one a 10 out of 10. And we have this Swiss roll cake. Let's try. What it tastes like, I don't know. I like that the cake isn't super sweet. The next drink I want to try, strawberry flavored drink with coconut. I'm not gonna get a lot because I really don't like coconut. Ooh, smells so good. Let's see. Definitely a 10 out of 10. They sell these in the store. I give that a 10 out of 10. Maybe I should record myself making Dubai chocolate with this and see how that tastes. I'm gonna wrap this video up because I am stuffed with snacks. Stay tuned for the part 2 of the video. Bye.
I want to try some of the stuff.
Me too.
Bye.